Hey everyone, Luminar Technologies reported second quarter earnings, which I'm going to review in this video here. I'm also going to update my recommendation for Luminar stock. Coming into this report, I did not have the stock rated as a buy. I had it closer to a hold. And so in this video, you're going to want to tune in to see if I'm changing that recommendation. So let's start with revenue, which increased to 16.2 million, up from 9.9 million year over year, so a solid increase in revenue. Loss from operations worsened to 144 million from 104 million as the company invests in research and development to get its innovative technology out in the world. Cash flow from operations in the first 6 months worsened to an outflow of 138 million from 85 million last year. Fortunately, the company is forecasting revenue growth of at least 100% in the third quarter. So it's really ramping up revenue as it's going along, and it's expecting positive adjusted gross margin by the fourth quarter of this year. So it's making good progress. So it had three big year-end goals which the company provided an update on. I'm not going to go through all of the details of this slide here from the company's press release, but I am going to highlight a few things, starting with the goal of bringing on the high volume automated facility in Mexico by the end of the year. So the company did bring on the high volume facility at the end of Q1 ahead of progress, and it's making rapid progress towards meeting all the automaker requirements to achieve start of production readiness for the new factory by the end of the year. So excellent progress here in this automated facility in Mexico. Another one of its year-end goals is to enter the Iris Plus C phase, complete software requirements for two of its main clients, Volvo and Mercedes, to develop a next-gen LAZR prototype, and the company is on track to meet or beat these goals in the second quarter. So excellent progress there towards these goals, and with these partners in Volvo and Mercedes, if it continues meeting those targets, Volvo and Mercedes will increase their partnership and relationship and increase their spending with Luminar. And the third and final goal is to add at least $1 billion on the order book by the end of this year. And so this is orders that the company will fulfill over the next several quarters and several years, and the company's on track to meet or beat this goal throughout 2023. The company is signing deals across hardware, software, AI, semiconductors with new and existing customers. So it's demonstrating, it's proving that its technology is highly desired by all of these customers, all of these providers, and so it's making excellent progress towards its goals in bringing its innovative technology to market. Now, to update my recommendation of the stock, I'm still not going to say the stock is a buy just yet. I want to see more progress towards its production, towards generating revenue before I can recommend the stock as a buy. Now, I understand with these types of innovative growth stocks, you're going to miss out on some of that early gain as the company makes progress in the early stages. But I'm okay with that because I also want to miss out on the early risks, right? I don't want to participate in all the riskiness in trying to bring these innovative technologies to market because it's difficult. It can have a lot of variation, a lot of volatility. And so I'm wanting to make more investments in companies that are further along in developing the technology, in production, in sales, and I'm okay with missing out on the early gains. That's just my investment philosophy. That may not be what you're interested in. You might want to participate in that early stage investment, and by all means, it's your money, your choice. But for me, and my investment style, this is not yet ready for investment from me. So that's all I've got for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.